is about unit 1. It is about ODE and VC, means ordinary differential equations. Okay, this is our chapter, ordinary differential equations and meta-calculus. So here first we are going to study what is linear differential equation. So first is what is linear differential equation. So what is linear differential equation? An equation involving an unknown function and its derivatives, where the function and its derivatives appear only to the first power and not multiplied together. Okay. So what it actually means is an equation involving an unknown function and its derivative. Derivative means differential equation, means differentiation, where the function and its derivatives appear only the first power and not multiplied together. First power means the given differential equation, its derivatives must and its function must be of first order, means the degree should be 1. So here we write what is the general form of linear differential equation is. So here it is like dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. Think this as equation 1. So an equation involving an unknown function. See, this is the unknown function. We don't know what it actually. And its derivatives means this, where the function and its derivatives appear only to the first power and not multiplied together. So what is the power of this one? 1. What is this power? 1. So it is called as linear differential equation. So now next we'll see that this equation 1 is linear differential equation in y. So a linear differential equation will have two main factors. First one is integrating factor. This is also known as IF. Integrating factor equals to e power integration of p of x into dx. So this is called integrating factor. You can also add a constant plus c. Next is general solution. The general solution is y of integrated factor means this equals to integration of q of x, this q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the general solution. So for every linear differential equation, we will identify its general form and we will find out its integrating factor and general solution. So this is the linear differential equation in terms of y. There is one more linear differential equation in terms of x. So we will look into another form. Another form of this equation is dx by dy plus p of y into x equals to q of y. So this is the equation say 2. So this is the linear differential equation in terms of x. In terms of x, not in terms of y, in terms of x. So for this the integrating factor is, the integrating factor for this differential equation is e power integration of p of y into dy. And next we will find the general solution. General solution equals to, general solution is x of integrating factor equals to integration of q of y into I of y, integrating factor into dy plus c. So these are two forms of differential equations. Okay, so you can also consider like that. So a differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable the dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur in the first degree and not multiplied together. So a differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur in the first degree and not multiplied together. Means the differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable x and its differential coefficients and the differentiating terms occur in the first degree, means degree should be 1, and then not multiplied together. This is called as linear differential equation. Okay, so there are two definitions basic of linear differential equation. This is all about linear differential equation. Now let's solve a problem regarding this, then you can able to understand this in better way. So let's see this question. So what is general form? General form of linear differential equation is what? Is what actually? dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x, right? So we need to divide this term is extra, right? We need to divide it with whole equation. So dy by dx plus 2xy by x square minus 1 equals to 1 by x square minus 1. So now what is this? What is p of x equals to 2x by x square minus 1 and q of x equals to 1 by x square minus 1. So now find integrating factor. Factor if. So now this can be done like this is the equation, right, marked as 1, and it is linear differential equation in what? Y. So this is linear differential equation of y. So where p of x and q of x are these. So now integrating factor we need to find. So integrating factor equals to e integration of p of x d of x. That is e integration of 2x by x square minus 1 dx. Now you can, there is a formula called integration of f dash of x by f of x equals to log f of x. You can use this, or else you can take x square minus 1 equals to t, differentiation of x, 2x dx equals to dt. Integration of 1 by t, what will be integration of 1 by t? And what is integration of 1 by x? Log x. So log t means what? X square minus 1 e power log x square minus 1. So it is like e power e. So we'll get x square minus 1. Find general solution. What is this? Pi into if equals to integration of q of x if into dx plus c. So y into what is integrating factor? X square minus 1 equals to integration of 1 by x square minus 1 into x square minus 1 dx plus c. So y into x square minus 1 cancel out the integration of 1 x plus c. So this is the general form of linear differential equation. So in a similar way you have to find solutions for the given differential equations. Okay.